Good morning, student. Now in this lecture we are going to see number conversion. In our previous lecture we have seen that binary to decimal and decimal to binary conversion. Now in this lecture we are going to see decimal to octal conversion. We are going to start from decimal to octal conversion. This is our decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Octal conversion. Now if we are going to convert any number from decimal to octal, then first of all we have to write that number. Now suppose that we are going to convert number 266. Now if we are going to convert it into decimal to binary, then we have to divide this number by 2, because base of binary number is 2, but now we are going to convert it into octal, then we have to divide it with the base of octal number system, and the base of octal number system is 8. So we have to divide it with 8, and we have to write the remainder in right side. Now we are going to divide this number. Now if we are going to divide it by 8, this will goes to 33 times and remainder will be 2. Again we are going to divide it by 8, then 8 4 ja 32, 8 4 ja 32 and remainder will be 1. Again we are going to divide it 8, then when the number is being small then the 8, इस 8 से ये नंबर अगर आपका बेस से स्मॉल हो गया, दैट मीन्स द रिमाइंडर इज सेम द नंबर, दैट मीन्स 4 इज द रिमाइंडर. इफ वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट by 0, 8 0 0, that means 8 multiplied by 0 gives 0 and remainder will be 4, and we have to write this number from bottom to upper way, bottom to upper direction. That means if we are going to convert 266 from base 10, then it will convert it in octal number, and result will be we have to start from 4 1 to base 8. So this is the process to convert decimal number into octal number. So I hope you have understand this concept to convert any number from decimal to octal number system. Now if we are going to take some other example, then we can see that suppose that we are going to take any other number. Suppose that we have taken 56. Now we have taken 56. Again we are going to divide it with 8 and remainder will be here. Now 8 ja 64, that means 8 7 ja 56. So this is the completely divisible in first term. So we have to take some large number. Now suppose that we have taken 156. Now we are going to convert this number, because 56 is very small number and we are going to perform some large calculation. You can take any number, large number, small number, any number. Now divide it 8 1 ja 8, and here the remainder will be 7 and 6 76, then 8 9 ja 72, and the remainder will be 4. Again divide it by 8, 8 2 ja 16, remainder will be 3. Again 2 is the remainder. We can divide or we cannot divide further. So 156 base 10 is equivalent to 234, 234 base 10. This is the way to convert decimal number system to octal number system. Now our next conversion is from octal to decimal conversion. Now we are going to convert octal to octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion. Now for this, suppose that we have the write any number like 372, and this is the of octal number system. Now we are going to convert it into decimal number system. Same as the process is same as binary to decimal or decimal to binary. If we are going to convert binary number system into decimal, same process will be applied here, but only the change is made in the base. Here we have to start to count the number from the right side. Suppose that we are going to count this number 0 1 2, जैसे हम बाइनरी में काउंट करते थे बाइनरी टू डेसिमल में, उसी तरह हम ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल में भी करेंगे, उसी तरह हम हेक्साडेसिमल टू डेसिमल में भी करेंगे, बट आवर बेस विल बी चेंज. वहाँ पे हम 2 को बेस मानते थे, यहाँ पे हमारा बेस विल बी 8. नाउ इन सेकेंड स्टेप वी हैव अगेन परफॉर्म द कैलकुलेशन लाइक सेम एज बाइनरी टू डेसिमल. 2 here you can see that 0 1 2 2 multiplied by 8 to the power 0. only change is of base का ही चेंज है. यहाँ पे बाइनरी में हम 2 के पावर 0 रखते थे, यहाँ 8 टू द पावर 0 करेंगे, प्लस 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 टू द पावर 1 प्लस 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 8 to the power 2. now we are going to perform the calculation. 8 to the power 0, that means 1, and 1 gives 2. 2 plus 7 8 ja 8 to the power 8, 8 7 ja 56. 56 plus 8 8 ja 64, और 64 3 ja 64 3 ja, we have to write 64 3 ja. Now we have to calculate 64 3 ja 3 4 ja 12, and 3 6 ja 18, and 1 19 192. Now we have to add these number 6 to 8 to 10, carry 1 9 or 5 14 1 250. This is the decimal equivalent to octal number 372. if we are going to convert 372 from octal to decimal, we get 250 as answer. so this is our conversion from octal to decimal conversion. now our next is octal to binary conversion. now our next conversion is octal to binary conversion. octal to binary conversion. in octal to binary conversion we have to put the number. suppose that we are going to convert, we have to remember the बाइनरी कोड ऑफ 0 to 7 1 to 7. ऑक्टल से बाइनरी कन्वर्ट करने के लिए या हेक्साडेसिमल का भी अगर हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो सपोज दैट आपको 1 से लेके 15 डिजिट तक 15 तक का आपको बाइनरी कोड रिमेंबर होना चाहिए. दैट विल बी इजी टू कन्वर्ट. ऑक्टल टू बाइनरी और ऑक्टल हेक्साडेसिमल टू बाइनरी कन्वर्जन में हमारा बहुत हेल्प करेगा अगर हमको लर्न होगा तो बाइनरी कोड. suppose that we are going to convert 472 base 10 into, we are going to convert binary, then put all digits 4 7 2 separately. now we are going to write the binary binary equivalent code for 4. if we are going to convert 4 into binary number system, then it gives you 100. 7 का बाइनरी कोड अगर आप देखेंगे दिस विल बी 111. 2 का बाइनरी कोड अगर आप देखेंगे तो होता है 10, एंड वी हैव टू पुट 1 more 0 हियर. that means 0 1 0. Now our equivalent binary code will be, we have to write all the code simultaneously. That means 1 0 0 triple 1 0 1 0. This is the binary code for 472. This is the conversion of octal to binary. If we are going to take another example, then we can see that suppose that we are going to take example of number